AIIS is an innovative company under generic capital dedicated to the development and application of artificial intelligence-driven trading technologies. Headquartered in Canada, with a fully operational subsidiary in the United States, AIIS holds a valid MSB, Money Services Business License, ensuring full compliance with regulatory standards and professional cross-border financial services. Since its establishment in March 2023, AIIS has experienced rapid growth, with cutting-edge AI solutions and a clearly defined strategy. The company has already built a strong reputation and extensive influence across the fintech and AI trading landscape. Currently, AIIS serves a thriving and rapidly expanding community of over 1 million experienced members, forming a highly dynamic, active, and global user base that spans multiple countries and regions. We strongly believe, let artificial intelligence transform the markets. Through the creation of intelligent trading systems, we strive to empower users to engage more efficiently and scientifically with financial markets, formulate smarter investment strategies, and realize their goals, while redefining the logic of traditional trading models. AIIS's core business operations center around 3 key areas. AI trading bots, our independently developed automated trading systems, seamlessly combine big data analytics and machine learning algorithms to monitor financial markets 24/7, respond to real-time price movements, and automatically execute trades. This significantly improves trading speed, operational efficiency, and decision-making accuracy. Whether you are a novice or a professional trader, our platform supports better outcomes and optimized strategies. AI-powered market analysis and risk evaluation. By analyzing global financial data, breaking news, and evolving market sentiment in real time, our system offers users actionable insights. These tools help users more accurately interpret trends, evaluate potential risks, and improve trading stability and long-term consistency. Community ecosystem building. AIIS is more than a technical platform. It's also a knowledge-sharing hub with trading stability and long-term consistency. Community ecosystem building. AIIS is more than a technical platform. It's also a knowledge-sharing hub. We foster a collaborative community where members actively exchange strategies, discuss insights, and grow together. Regular online workshops, technical training sessions, and live simulation events provide ongoing learning and real-world trading experiences. Compliance, innovation, and a user-first mindset are the 3 pillars that drive everything we do at AIIS. We firmly believe that the future of fintech belongs to companies that embrace change, lead with intelligent innovation, and place users at the center of every decision. AIIS is confidently moving toward a smarter, more accessible, and more inclusive financial future. We sincerely invite global partners and forward thinkers to join the AIIS ecosystem. Together, we'll unlock the vast potential of AI-powered trading. Here, you are not just witnessing change, you're becoming part of it. AIIS, win the future, intelligently,